Guys, I'm up tonight getting ready for the marketplace show that I'm going to be in on every Wednesday. So this is probably going to be my last video because I get the views, but I guess it's not the subscribers. So this is probably going to be my last video that I'm showing. And I just wanted to show you some of my favorite pieces that I enjoy doing. So maybe you can get some ideas from these pieces that I'm showing you tonight. This one over here is an elephant bracelet right here. You can find that at you can find this elephant bracelet at Joann's Fabrics. Beautiful, really pretty. And the earrings, I just put those together, and you can find the components Amazon, Etsy, and I just wanted to show you some of my favorite pieces that are going to be at the marketplace. These are snakeskin. I thought these were really cute. And of course, those are leather, because you know I love leather. And these are just gold. I love those right there. Some of my favorite pieces. And this is Reason. It's beautiful. Beautiful colors. And of course, pearls are a girl's best friend. So these are just some of the pieces that are going to be at the market every Wednesday at Roswell Hospital. I chose to start trying to do something different instead of doing the YouTube channel. And so that's what I'm going to be doing every Wednesday. I've been getting ready for it and trying to make at least 100 pieces in hopes that I can do well at the market. I certainly will come back and let you know how well I did do. Thanks guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and maybe if I get a chance I'll come back. I mean, I will come back and let you know how I did at the marketplace. But this is probably going to be my last video. I got the views but not the subscribers. So I guess they didn't like it as much as I thought they would. So this is it. And I'll see you after the marketplace at Roswell Park, Buffalo, New York, every Wednesday starting May 22nd. Bye-bye.